Click on your profile on the upper right. Scroll down. Click on pages. Click on create. Select professional. Type in your business name. Select the category of your business. If it's a restaurant, you type in a restaurant. In this case, we are using a clothing store. Enter what your business is about. Provide your website details, email, and phone number. Also, your address, your city, zip location, and the hours you're available. You can select your profile picture here. You would be asked to invite your friends to the page. And then you click on next, you are done. Your Facebook business profile is ready. If this video helped you, share it with another business owner who really needs this.